How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the Enclave. So today is going to be somewhat of a shorter one. We're just quickly going to be covering the fix for the primer feed spring issue on the Lee 6-Pack Pro, or I guess any other press that's running this sort of priming system. So yeah, without any further ado, let us get into that video, I suppose.
Two, one.
Okay, so here we are at the press. There wasn't a real great place to put a tripod, so yeah, just gonna be holding it with my hands. So, as you can see, the spring on the left and the spring on the right are exactly the same. So what we've done is basically swapped out the primer feed spring with the same sort of spring that is on the case feed system. So these things are readily available pretty much everywhere. I will be putting some links down below in case you need to find them. Super easy to find. They are a little trickier to install because the actual end of the spring is not really designed to go into the hole that's at the top of the press there. But you can make it work, and then yeah, it really actually works better than the spring they put on there. And considering so many people seem to be having issues with that spring, I feel like they should have just done this from the beginning. I find it's a much nicer feeling system. So I don't know, it feels sort of smoother when you actually feeding the primers. It's not as jerky as the other one. Like the other one I noticed would it would bend and then spring straight again. And in that motion it could throw primers around or just, not be a smooth operation. So with this, it's straight back, straight forward, and yeah, like I say, there's no real issue with it. I've done a couple hundred rounds with it so far, and like I say, it really seems to perform better than the original spring that the press comes with. So I would almost say if you buy a 6-Pack Pro, buy another one of these springs. For when your first spring starts giving you issues, just swap it out. Or if you're one of those people who's happy to do preventative maintenance, just swap it out before it starts giving you issues. Because, yeah, this thing ended up jamming up my entire machine. I had to pretty much disassemble the entire press to fix the issue that I was having with it. So, yeah, anyways, that is pretty much the fix. Like I said, I'll put some links down below where to get them. They're pretty cheap. They're like $50. So, yeah, also, I don't see this one having an issue. As you saw in the beginning there, I've got 3 of them because I thought, just in case. But I think that actually might have been overkill because this seems to be a pretty rock solid system. So, yeah, anyways, as always, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you end up having this issue and you find this video, I hope it's helped you. And yeah, as always, if you got more time, check out some more videos on the side. And as always, peace out.